Hey, what's going on, guys? This is John from Volkswagenplanet, and today we got Lucy here, and we both want to say thank you for all your support and you guys reaching out in your comments about her speedy recovery and stuff like that. It means a lot to me. Of course, it means a lot to her. So let's give you guys an update of what's been going on around here. First, you guys know about her situation with the growth on her foot. Thank God she, well, we got a second, third, fourth, and fifth opinion about the growth on her foot to remove it. A lot of people were saying that they should just remove the toes. And if you guys don't know, Lucy's already missing her left front paw. So that was kind of the last thing I wanted to do, was to remove her toes if at all possible. But where the growth was, it was a really bad situation. And all the vets were saying that it would probably be her best interest to get the toe removed. Well, we got a surgeon to go ahead and attempt to remove the growth without removing the toe, and so far it's been a success. The toe is healing great, and we're waiting to hear the results back from the biopsy. And hopefully things will be, non-cancerous, and she'll continue, in her situation and her recovery. So in the last video, we were talking about giving away some gift certificates, and I put it out there that did some feelers to see if we can get more than 5 or 10 people to enter the contest. And as of right now, I think it's between 12 and 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to up the total number to $25 instead of giving away a $10 one. It's kind of like, it's not really worth doing a competition, but it's still a good contest. So I'm going to put a $25 gift certificate, and what we're going to do is for all those who entered the giveaway, you guys are already in. Don't worry about nothing. But we're also going to open it up to people who have not entered, and we're going to open up the giveaway until Friday, November 31st, which gives people a couple weeks. I'm going to do a couple videos between now and then, hopefully get a couple more people, and the more people we get, the bigger the giveaway is going to be. So what else has been going on? So hopefully the Saturday, December 1st till like the 2nd or 3rd, we'll do the pull the name. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one of those random generators, and whoever's number comes up will just win it. There's no scavenging hunt, nothing like that. It's just gonna be plain and simple. Whoever's number comes up comes up. Now let's see, the 1972 Project Street Beater. I've got a couple of videos that I need to edit. For some ungodly reason, I don't know why, I can't edit my videos like I used to. So it's I think I got 3 or 4 videos that I'm just trying to learn this new software. So please bear with me, and it's just gonna be a matter of time to learn new software. So that's what's been going on. If you guys want to get in the contest, it's a $25 Wolfsburg West giveaway. No purchase necessary, no nothing. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel, comment below that you want to get in the contest, and just basically tell me what you guys are working on and what you guys are going to put it to. If there's any videos you guys want to need to have done or want to see done, let me know, and I'll try to make a personal video for you, and just some new ideas, some new topics. Maybe there's something that you don't know, or you're new to the hobby. So just let me know, and we'll get it out there for you guys. So as always, thumbs up, thumbs down, don't really care. But if you guys do thumbs down, put a comment below why. Like I said, it's no hard feelings. I don't take it personally. We can only improve. So I want to thank you guys again for supporting us, sticking with us, and as always, guys, God bless you, God bless your family, and we'll catch you on the next video. You guys have a good night, and take care.